Hello, Assalamu alaikum everyone. I'm Minahil Maniwali and I'm a student at Han School Online Academy. So today I watched a TEDx video titled "Log Kya Kahenge? What Will People Say?" And it was presented by Moise Shaukat. So basically, Moise Shaukat's TEDx talk "Log Kya Kahenge? What Will People Say?" is more than just a critic of societal pressure. It's a profound and courageous reflection on the power that collective judgment holds over individual lives. Delivered with sincerity, vulnerability, and raw truth, Moise takes the stage to confront one of the most deeply ingrained fears in South Asian culture, the fear of being judged. From the moment Moise begins, it is clear that he isn't speaking from a distant philosophical place. He's speaking from experience. He invites us into his personal world, filled with moments of self doubt, hesitation, and fear, all rooted in one haunting phrase: "Log kya kahenge?" What will people say? This phrase, often used casually by elders and peers, like becomes a mental prison for so many, and Moyes unpacks exactly how devastating it can be. Moyes lays bare how this phrase governs countless decisions in our lives: what we wear, where we study, who we love, what we pursue, and even how we grieve or express ourselves. He points out that our choices are often not our own; they are filtered through the lens of imaginary low people whose opinions hold more than weight than our own desires or dreams. He shares vivid examples from his life and those around him. Students abandoning creative dreams for respectable careers, individuals hiding their identities to maintain false appearances, and families shaming members for choices that don't align with tradition. Moyes isn't afraid to touch on taboo topics. He talks about gender, mental health, failure, and authenticity, and how all of these are silently suffocated under the burden of social approval. His storytelling is bold but never aggressive. He balances criticism with empathy, acknowledging that those who impose these fears, parents, teachers, society, are often themselves victims of the same cycle. This, uh, this understanding makes his message even more impactful. Change is needed, but it must begin with awareness and compassion. What makes this talk deeply touching is Moy's ability to voice the silent suffering that so many endure in silence. He talks about the anxiety of being watched and the exhaustion of constantly performing and the grief of not being able to live freely. These are not small issues, they leave lifelong scars. His words echo the internal monologue of countless young people. Will I disappoint them? Will they laugh at me? Will they never accept who I truly am? Moise does not simply pose these questions, he answers them. He offers the reassurance that no, people may not always understand, but you do not owe them your truth in exchange for their approval. A turning point in his talk comes when Moise urges us to replace "log kya kahenge" with a far more powerful question: "मैं क्या सोचता हूँ?" What do I think? This shift in mindset is at the heart of his message. He explains that authenticity is not about rebellion for its own sake. It's about alignment. Living honestly doesn't mean being perfect or fearless. It means choosing yourself over an illusion. Moyes also touches on the importance of safe spaces, environments where individuals can express themselves without judgment. He calls upon educators, parents, friends, and communities to foster empathy, not pressure. His plea is clear: let people be seen, let them be heard, let them be real. The most powerful aspect of this talk is its message of hope. Moyes doesn't just critique the problem, he offers a way out. Through introspection, community support, and bravery, we can break the generational chain of judgment and create a more accepting, emotionally healthy society. He concludes with a powerful call to action. Stop living for the eyes of others. Stop dimming your light to make others comfortable. Start asking yourself who you want to be, not who people expect you to be. Because in the end, it is your life and no one else will live it for you. Moy Showcase Log Kya Kahenge is one of those rare TEDx talks that lingers long before it ends. It is not just a presentation, it's a mirror to our insecurities, our inherited fears, and the social conditioning that governs our lives far more than we admit. But, but more importantly, it's a torchlight, guiding us toward freedom, authenticity, and self respect. Moi's courage to speak about what many only whisper deserves recognition, and his message deserves to be heard by every parent, student, dreamer, and rebel. This talk is for everyone who has ever paused their thought because of low people. Moise reminds us that it's finally time to stop asking what will this say and start asking what do I believe. So this was the TEDx review that I wanted to share with you guys, and sorry I got a bit taken back because this TEDx video after I watched it I was a bit angry and it opened my eyes basically. I was like, yeah, this is my life. I'll decide what I have to do. No one else can ruin it. So, yeah, that's it for now. So, bye bye.